In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the generative fill feature in Photoshop to remove people from a background. In this photo, I want this man to be featured alone, and I don't want all of these tourists in the back. So the first thing I'm going to do here is select the people in the background of the photo. It doesn't have to be an exact selection, but you do want to make sure that you are selecting all of the pieces of the image that you're wanting to remove. It's better to select a little bit too big of an area than selecting not enough. After I stopped recording, I noticed that I missed a section of someone's hair that was right by this guy's shirt, so I did eventually go back and fix that, but you'll see that since that wasn't selected, it's not actually going to be removed from the photo. Next, from the contextual taskbar, I'm going to click Generative Fill, and instead of typing in a prompt, we're just going to click Generate. This should automatically try to match the existing background of the photo. And these are all pretty good. I am going to select this variation. This bottom left corner is still a little funky. It looks like we have a little chupacabra or something hiding back here behind the pillars, and there's a weird artifact in the other corner. So I'm going to select those little mess up areas and I'll click Generate again. This still wasn't quite what I'm looking for, so I'm going to generate another set of variations until I'm happy with how this looks. So this is pretty good. You could go into the background and make a few more detailed tweaks if you wanted to, but here you can see the before and after of just using generative fill to remove people from the background of a photo. If this was helpful, be sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video.